Welcome to the cabin. Today is October 20th. I am here for 2 days at this time. And hopefully we'll get some projects knocked out. I definitely want to focus my attention to the bathroom today. So I have to finish painting that corner. And need to touch up these outlets, these two, and work on the floor. I got my small ladder so I can go in, squeeze in there. The other thing I have to do is put up the light on the top. And then I have to focus on the floor. Now, I did patch this floor before, and then I'm gonna start laying the floor. I gotta make sure I have some underlayment as well. Where is it? So yeah, I have this out here. For many years. I'll go ahead and see if this is still good, somewhat. And I think I had some left over also. Hopefully I don't have enough to at least do part of the bathroom. Where that is and where the sink is. So those are the things I want to do inside for sure. And I may put up the curtains in the bedroom. That would be nice to do as well. We'll have to see. So this is underneath the cabin. So I'm done with this. I screwed down in a couple of places here, and then I put a screw in the old one as well to kind of hold it down. I put in some steel wool in the cracks, and also in the pipe underneath I surrounded by steel wool nice and tightly, and I put in some caulking in these little cracks on the top. So it's all done. Nothing's gonna come in, hopefully. So I think I'm okay with the floor. I'm gonna have to sweep it up nicely, and then I can start laying it down. And we got the light back on. Actually, earlier I was smelling something burning. Well, because this is not just a fan, it also is a heater in there. That explains why I have 3 switches for one thing. Oh, looks good. Making progress. The next morning, I am working on the floor. I need to sand down a couple of high spots still. Like this one here. And then I should be ready to lay the floor down. I gotta finish fixing this and touch up the paint. So the first thing I need to do is change into my painting clothes. Let's sweep up. Okay, let's get rid of the rest of the dust. Just a little bit of a disinfectant in it too. There's any germs that have to run from ice. Okay, get some clean water and repeat. Putting up the curtain rod. Yes, looks good. So what if you don't have a stud finder and you don't know where to put in a straight screw, or where do you need the anchors? Instead of starting out with a big hole for the anchors, what you need to do is use a small drill bit that will allow you to just put in a straight screw. And while you are drilling it, you will find that the drywall goes through fast. So you notice the drywall only. Versus where it's a stud, you will find some resistance with this small drill bit. And then of course, when you know which one is the drywall hole and which one is not, you have a bigger drill bit that will allow you to put in the anchors. That's it. You just need two different sizes. Finished putting up one of the curtains in the bedroom. I'm gonna get on to the next one now. Looks pretty good. finished the second set of curtains. Put up that rod. Looks pretty good in here now. Nice and homey. I started laying down the floor. I didn't get very far. I need to drill a proper hole for that pipe. My drill died, so I have to do that next time. I kind of laid it out as far as the pattern goes. I'm mixing up the boxes so they don't look patchy. It's gonna look good once it's done. So I will have to continue this next time. That's all I'm gonna do for today. See you next time.